In this video, we are going to see how to request license for Flint and activate it. It is necessary to get a license for the Flint to build projects. For that, select Flint menu and click on license. If the license is not obtained, then all the fields will be shown as invalid. Now click on the license request button. Provide details in all the fields. Then select to clipboard option. This will copy the filled contents to your clipboard. After that, paste it to your email and share the details to license@embien.com. Embien's licensing team will validate the same and respond with a license.lic file. Now, simply place the obtained license.lic file in the Flint folder to enable it. Check out our tutorial on creating new project to make awesome UI for your embedded system. Thank you.